Hey guys, MJ here from Nitecore Singapore. Today we're going to look at the new Nitecore EMR20. Alright, how it stacks up against other similar repellents and the 3 reasons that makes this the perfect repellent for professional and everyday use. Right, before we begin, if you want to win this latest EMR20, make sure you subscribe to this channel and comment below on how this EMR20 will help you in the kind of work that you do. Right, once we hit 500 likes, I'll announce the winner here in the description box below. Let's start with the biggest question. What's the difference between the EMR20, right, and the earlier EMR10? Okay, smaller size, lesser functions, lesser weight, cheaper price. Right, they stripped out all the fancy features like the LED display, the ultrasonic sound, the external batteries, and just kept the heating element and built-in battery. Right, which is really all you need to get the same protection zone as the earlier EMR10. Size is a real issue because some of the guys that got their EMR10, right, they were shocked at how big it is, and because of that they didn't bring it out as often. Right, this smaller EMR20 is going to be way more portable. The second biggest question is, are they actually effective? Yes, we tested them in a swamp forest at night. 4 of us walked an entire trail in 60 minutes. Right, you can see the mosquitoes flying at a distance, but they didn't come near us and none of us got bitten. Right, so here's how they work. Short press and then long press until all 4 indicators are on. Right, the button will turn blue to indicate outdoor mode. Press the button once to switch to indoor mode, which is green. Right, to turn off, just long press until all 4 power indicators are done and you're set. If you want to check the battery power of the power bank, you can just tap. It shows you 3, right, instead of 4, which is full. Next, how is it so effective? The first reason is in how the repellent works. Instead of taking the repellent and making it into a spray or lotion to apply on your skin, which only covers the area you apply it on, the repellent comes in mats like these. They only activate when enough heat is applied to them, around 125 degrees. The repellent then turns into mist and fills the air around you, creating that 16 feet protection zone. This means one pad can protect more than just one person. It covers an area. Right, each pad lasts 6 hours, way longer than any mosquito patch or spray or lotion or cream. Right, here's how they look like when they are used. Let's push this one out. So this is a used piece, right? It's white in color. The new pieces will look darker in color here, blue in front. Alright, then just slide the new piece in this way. Now you might be wondering, what if I'm walking or running, or if there's a strong breeze, won't the mist be blown away? Yes, that's why if you're moving, you should always be in the draft of the mist. Right? If you're hiking in groups, the first guy should be the one carrying the unit, so that the rest of the groups get covered by the downdraft. Right? If there's a gentle breeze going, place the unit where the breeze is coming from, so the breeze blows the mist over you. What if there's a strong, consistent wind? Then it won't be effective. But it won't matter as well because you won't find mosquitoes in strong winds in the first place. Right? This works best in stagnant or rather still air, where you're most likely going to be bitten by mosquitoes. The second reason why they are so effective is in how they are heating the repellent mats. Now, the most well-known product in the market that does this is Thermacell. I've been using them for several years. I have the Gen 1 and now this is the Gen 2 model. So what's the difference between these and EMR20? It's the fuel source. The Thermacells are powered by the liquid fuel cartridges here. Right? They last around 12 hours each and have to be thrown away once they are done with it. This is a problem because there's a lot of plastic waste and it costs quite a bit because you have to keep buying these or else your device won't run. But the biggest problem by far is you cannot travel with these. These cartridges are considered flammable liquids and can't be brought onto planes. Right? The EMR20 has a built-in 10,000 mAh battery. It takes around 3 hours to fully charge via the USB-C port up here. And because it's an 18 watt QC3 port, it also doubles as a power bank to charge your phones, flashlights and other devices. It's now no longer just a mosquito repellent but also a fast charging power bank. And yes, you can use a repellent while it's charging. Right, so no problem extending the use indoors. The best part is also airline safe, so you can bring this anywhere in the world. The third reason is the ease of mounting. There's a removable heat guard here. The whole thing can be removed. So here's how it looks like when you pop it off. Okay, and you just pop it back on. There. And a very useful pocket clip at the back here. So other models like the Thermacell, they don't come with pocket clips. Right? You have to buy a separate holster just to have it on your bag. Okay, the most effective place is to have it on the back or on the side here, right, wherever you want to place it. Out of the box, it comes with 10 replacement pads, right? So each pad lasts 6 hours, so you have 60 hours worth of pads out the box, right? The most important thing when it comes to using this, it takes 10 minutes to heat up. So don't expect it to work the moment you turn it on. It runs at a lower temperature, so you use up less of the pad over time, and outdoor mode runs at a higher temperature. So you have better protection but lesser run time. So a common question is, are you able to turn it off and leave it and turn it on again later? Yes, you can use it for, let's say, 1 hour, leave the pad inside, then use it again the next day. Right, does the pad dry out? No, the pad doesn't dry out so quickly because it's heat activated. Right, now one important thing to note, ambient temperatures will affect its effectiveness. You can't use this in cold weather, but then again, mosquitoes don't function at 10 degrees Celsius, so you will need this anyway. This works best in 20 to 30 degree weather, right? Perfect for Singapore use where there's no breeze. So that's it, the 3 things that makes this the perfect repellent for professional and everyday use. The heat activated repellent pads that fill the air instead of sprays and lotions, right? Battery powered heating elements instead of using liquid fuels, and last, the ease of use and mounting options. Plus, it also acts as a power bank, right, acting as another backup for your devices. So do you need an electronic version of a mosquito repellent? Right, if you don't want to keep spending money on sprays and getting covered by oils, if you need to protect an area, right, not just one person, this is the most effective solution. If you're worried about replacement pads and where to get them, right, the refills come in boxes of 30 and we do have them in stock as well. These are all in stock now at nitecorelights.com. If you need to buy in bulk for your organization, just contact me directly and I'll be able to work out a deal for you. As usual, these will sell out fast, so order yours today. Right, once your order is placed, we'll courier everything to your door within a couple of days. Link to order is in the description below. As usual, this comes with our 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk at all. That's it. If you'd like to see more videos like this where we help you choose the best lights and gear for your work or adventure, subscribe below and I'll see you on the next video. Right, MJ signing out.